Hey people, my Temu order arrived. Let's see what's in it. I'm gonna open the and put the contents. Okay, here's all of my stuff. We start from here. Let's open this. Let's see. Okay, this is hard. I'll open it and then record. So this is the instrument. Let's open it. Oh, it's the wood pipe. It's like I can play it, but oh, it's plastic. Is it plastic? And yeah, it is. Bummer. Okay, let's see. Okay. This is pretty fun. I'll put the stickers on later. Okay, put the stickers on. I look like this. I accidentally put the one upside down, so now every time there's a one, it's upside down. Sleeping mask, two of them. So when one gets lost, I have another one. Some plugs from my phones. Actually, let me put this on right. And there are caps for my controllers. Don't need to talk about that. Some forgot the name of them, but it's for like USB thing to USB thing. I don't know the name. Oh, I wonder what this is. Let's open it. Finally something new. Hold on. Just pour it out. And it's a flute. Nice. This one got two holes on it for some reason, and it's kind of tilted. Which isn't really that concerning, but still. Okay, let's see how do I play this. Do I have to like cover this hole? Yeah, I have no idea. Okay, we got a stable and efficient magnets. So I hope it's multiple. Oh, wait. There we go. Whoa. Does it really require that much packaging? Is it really that strong? Well, there we go. Ooh. Whoa, this magnet is... Whoa. This is huge. Is this another product? Oh, it's aluminium. How about this? It's alright. Now, since I already picked it up with magnet, I'm gonna unbox it. It's just a metal toothpick, nothing much. Therefore, when I'm feeling fancy. What's this? Oh, it's got a keyring. Cool. Let's see. Twist it open. Oh, look at it. Ow. Ow, this is sharp. Wow. This is real sharp. Okay, so after playing with the toothpick, I got a cut that looks like this. Nah, I'm just kidding. That was from like 3 days ago when I was playing with a spoon and a battery. Would you look at that? Now it's on my keyring. So when I go to school, I can maybe... No, I'm kidding. I'm kidding. YouTube, on my school, if you've seen this, I'm kidding. I will never do that. Okay, we've reached the spot. Glasses. Well, that's concerning. I know I said that. It's not concerning at all. It's just glasses. I cut my nails today. Damn. There we go. Glasses. Not concerning at all, actually. It's just glasses. It's not. It's just glasses after all. Get it? Because it rhymes. Oh. Whoa! I'm gonna put these on. Okay, so I have to look up. So I'm seeing like that. I'm seeing like here. I'm seeing right here right now. Even though that I'm looking, even though that my head is like looking forward, which is, oof. Also, it's kind of pinching my nose, so it kind of hurts. Hello. These glasses smell weird. This is what I see when I put them on and look down. I'm gonna look up. I don't know how I made that mistake. It's a pet cleaning kit for my pet over there. Actually, just put that. They put a regular hairbrush. I'm gonna open this. What I am going to open is this. Let's open it. I hope it's like handheld, like they advertised. Because from the picture up here, I don't think it is. But I mean, it's pretty tiny, so I think it is. There we go. Some USB batteries. And a stand, which is cool. Let's see it. Here we go. Ah, my eye! Damn! See this? This is the laser dye. This is what I bought it for. I don't know how to open it. Oh, never mind. What's this green for? I'm gonna put it directly on my camera. I'm not an idiot. Gonna close the windows for extreme darkness. See, damn it. See the laser? See it? Mogo. Mogo, shelf. Mogo. Did I put... Guys, I don't think he's interested. I think I broke my cat. What the hell? I'll just take it out. Oh, hold on. There we go. You're under interrogation. Now my question is, what is this for? So I'm gonna read this manuscript of an instruction sheet, and I'll see. Okay, figure it out. You just my eyes. It's also a darker one. There's a red one. There's a flashing red one. Epilepsy warning. Sorry. Calm down. Damn. Here's the leash for my cat. I'm gonna put it on him. Okay, so I touched the leash on my cat. Well, it's not a leash. It's more of a harness. See how far I can go. Okay, this is the limit. Yeah. I think it's good. And when you press this button, I can't really apply that much force. Let's try that one. You press this button, it goes flat to the neck like a normal leash. Hey, don't. Oh, sorry. But yeah, it's a pretty good leash. Here we have a collar. Let's put my kitty cat. Let's put it on. Well, I put the collar on the wrong way, but here it is. It just doesn't do that because it doesn't like collars. It's not tight at all, actually. Stop. Yeah, I think I made it too wide. Anyways, it's supposed to have like a plate here with my number and his name on it, and it does. I just put it the wrong way, just for privacy purposes. I'm gonna take this off now before it goes crazy. now for the most interesting looking one, the double kazoo. I accidentally bought another kazoo because I didn't know where mine was, but I found it. So basically I have a vape shaped kazoo now. I don't vape, it's a vape shaped kazoo. There it is. There's a spare tip, which is kind of surprising. There's the kazoo. See on the bottom. If you flip it over, you see it does look like a vape. Okay. Yeah, that's pretty cool. Not sure what I'm supposed to do with it. Let me just try covering it, like covering the second one. It just sounds more muted. But it's still a pretty cool product, regardless, even though it's an accident. Honestly, I don't know where I'm supposed to put the lanyard, so I assumed it's at the bottom for... Because that might be why there were 2 extra holes here, so I put the lanyard in. Which is pretty cool. Anyways, I found 2 products. I'll test this the final thing. I'll just open this. Gooby this, Gooby that, Gooby Wi-Fi, Gooby RAM, Gooby steak, Gooby ham, Gooby coming from Japan. So look at the energy rating. Why is it this inefficient? Is it what? An E? I've never seen an E before. In an energy rating, the minimum I've seen was a D. Which tells you stuff. Tells you a real lot of stuff. Anyways. So I see there are 2 what's it called? UV flashlights. Don't put your finger in there, man. Yeah, it's a UV flashlight. Twist? Is it a twisting thing? No, it's unadjustable. What do you mean it's unadjustable? The last one was adjustable. Oh, that might be just the glue holding this down. Oh yeah, it is. Yep. And this one is the exact same product, so I won't review it. But it's really nice to have like 2 flashlights. Anyways, last one. I'll cut to when I'm testing it. Oh crap. Okay, so since the sink isn't really deep enough for me to plug my entire head in it, I'll just review it off the fact that it cancels a lot of noise. I can't even hear my cat's bell when he moves, like, move a bit. Anyways, I can't really hear the bell, so I think these earplugs are pretty good, but yeah, I give it like an 8 out of 10. Yeah, so that's basically all the products. I haven't tested that one yet, I'll test it right now. Okay, so comparing this glove, comparing this glove to this glove is way, way better. I can bend my hand properly, while this one kind of like, it's kind of solid chunk in the middle. It's way more breathable. Oh, look at this. On this right. Let's compare this now. Barely any. Well, this one kind of like a lot more hair. So yeah, that's cool. I guess. There's this thing too. I think this is how I'm supposed to use it. Let me switch hands. Okay, let's see. Yeah, basically the same as the gloves. Let's see what else. It's a nail cutter, but he doesn't have any nails cut, so not right now. Oh, it's a thing for the lights. think it works on humans too, because I remember my mom had a brush that looks like this. It looks like this too. Yeah, my cat has no lice. Cool. But it's definitely whipping out a lot of hair. This is literally just a regular hairbrush. So I'm gonna check this out. This is a cat toothbrush. You stick it in your cat's mouth and go like this. There's another one too with bristles. And this is I'm gonna review the toothbrushes later. But first, let's check this out. What is this? Oh, so it's like a thing you fill with shampoo, and then you scrub your cat with it. I'll post a video properly reviewing the cat cleaning products, but now, bye guys! Goodbye, see you later! Oh, also, if a person, if there's a question, if a person asks, what is a megaphone? Say the letter A 100 times. I'm testing something.